Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how we can get free rewards and get free stars and get free rewards. First of all, if you want to get a free star, you just need to join Starbucks reward program. When you join Starbucks reward program, when you spend $1, you get one star. You can see it. Per dollar you get one star. $2 you get two stars. If you spend $25, you can get free 25 star. With free 25 star, you can get coffee or tea. If you spend $100, then you get 100 star, and you can get free drinks, cold drinks, and one meal. This is a point system that you can, if you spend money, you get free stars. With free stars, you get free drinks, free meals, etc. This is a simple tutorial about how we can get free rewards on Starbucks. First of all, you need to join Starbucks reward program. Then you need to spend your money on Starbucks. After spending your money on Starbucks, you will get vouchers also, and you will get also free stars. Thanks for watching.